Hey everybody, today we're going to do the other version that I was talking about, CRUSH'S Wicked Grape. Now, like the other one, it's more than likely they just splashed a name on it to sell it. But we'll give it a shot. Grab the old cup here. We'll pour it in the glass. Park the cup. There they go. Park that bottle. Wait for it to die down. But as you can tell, it's a really dark purple, typical of a grape drink. Let's give it a sniff here. Yeah, it smells like just regular grape. Let's give it a shot. It's just regular grape, nothing special. It's just like, if you remember my old Terminator video, where it was Terminator Genesis, but it was it red cream soda or something like that? It's good, but it's not. It's just been packaged with a different additional name, if you will, and that's it. Nothing spectacular. There's no concentration of real serious concentration of grape, or more, if you will, or some type of exciting flavor to it. It's just their grape crush. Well, and then that's it. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just, they put a different name on it, and you hope that there's a little twist to it. Perhaps like grape and citrus, or grape and orange, or something like that. Something to mix it up a little bit, year after year. But that's what they have for us. And that's it for this video. Let me park this. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you the next time. Take care.